Hello all. In earlier video, we have seen how to install an Anaconda distribution on our own machine. And this Anaconda distribution allows us to access multiple tools which you can see over here in your screen. Here, data spell, you can see a Jupyter notebook, you can see Deep Note, you can see Spider, and many other tools like RStudio is also available. Out of that, Jupyter Notebook we are going to use for our purpose. So either you can launch Jupyter Notebook from here, or you can simply go to your Windows, and from where you can simply type a Jupyter Notebook and you can launch from there. This will allow you to open a Jupyter Notebook where you can see a different things are there. Now in this particular Jupyter Notebook, we want to create our first folder. So to create a first folder, go to the new and create a folder. This task, which you can see over here, second ago, this folder is created. To simply rename it, select it and rename the folder by using a name. I use here Python for machine learning 01. So this folder you can see here, PYML01. Inside this folder, now I want to write for the Python. Writing a script for the Python, to create my first program in Python, I should go to the new, then I'm creating a Python 3, and it will open my interactive Python script cell where I can write my code. To rename this particular file, you can click untitled and give a name like my first program and simply enter it. You can see here the file is renamed. Now to work on the cell, you can work over here. Simply I can write a print or to execute this script, you can click on this run button or you can run it simply by using a shortcut called as shift and enter. This is Srihari and you can write shift and enter. So this also allows you to run your script. Remember that in this case, this is an code and its output. You can see a code and its output. So at every line of code, Jupyter allows us to see your output. So this is the beauty of Jupyter, which is an interactive in nature. Now we want to say where exactly on the hard disk these files are stored. As I told you earlier also, the default location for storing the files and folder is C colon. Inside the C colon, you can go to the user, and inside the user, whatever the username you have given, that is, in my case, Dell is my username. So we simply go here and check if the file is available on my machine or not. So I can go to the C colon. So I can go to the C colon. Inside C colon, user. Inside user, Dell is my username. And inside this Dell, you can see PYML is the file which we have created. See, PYML file is created. The extension of this file is IPyMB, where NB stands for notebook, PY stands for Python, and I indicates the interactive nature. So here you can find out your first program which is located on the hard disk. Thank you very much.